iSteady MT2 gimbal is designed for serious content creators, vloggers, filmmakers who are looking for professional level stability and features. The best part of the iSteady MT2 that it can support a payload of DSLR cameras, mirrorless cameras, smartphones, but now I'm testing a 6.5-inch smartphone with the extra LED light. To rotate the gimbal 180 degrees, press the iSteady MT2's back button 3 times. Here's a brief guide to mount LED light on a smartphone in a vertical position. To rotate the gimbal 180 degrees, press the iSteady MT2's back button 3 times. The fill light switch turns on when you press the left button in the middle of the large wheel. In essence, it also serves as an AI sensor. iSteady MT2 is paired with the 2 cameras at the same time, like action cameras or smartphone. I am mounting 360 camera with a 6.5-inch smartphone. By the way, the maximum payload of the iSteady MT2 is 1.2 kg. Download the Hohem Joy app on your smartphone. The app allows you to set up a time-lapse option and adjust the motor speed, sensitivity, and much more as found in the next video section. Press the button from the left slider to switch on the fill light, and there you go. You can control the intensity of the fill light from the slider. In essence, it also serves as an AI sensor. Press one time the slider button. By this, you can change the color temperature from 2700K to 6500K from the slider. iSteady MT2 setup, user experience, AI tracking, and reliability are amazing. iSteady MT2 is great when it comes to setup process and usability. iSteady MT2 buying price is $197.4 and I'm sharing a 20% discount code here. Don't forget you can find the buying links in the video description. If you have any comments, do write me in the comment section. If you are interested in drone footages, then click on this playlist. Thanks for watching and I will see you in this playlist.